In this video, I'm going to show you how to be small in MeepCity. So first, click on the one person icon and then click on the body and you will see here the size. Now, in order to customize the height, just click the size and you will see here a two shapes. So if you want to adjust the size, you can adjust or lower it down on the square shape, and if you want to adjust the skinny type or chubby type, you can adjust it to the triangle shape. And after that, you can just click the save outfit and then click the plus button and then give your new outfit a name. So in this case, I'm going to name it a small and then save it. And after that, go back to menu and that's it. That's how to be small in MeepCity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.